Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. On today's video I have another unboxing for you, and this time I have to show you the Lookfantastic Beauty box for the month of September. So this is their birthday edition box. If you don't know anything about Lookfantastic Beauty box, I will give you just a short info. Lookfantastic is a huge online retailer and they have a monthly subscription. The price for the box it is £15 per month and they do ship internationally. The box is shipped all the way from UK. You do get a mix of skincare, hair care and makeup. The box tends to be mostly or heavily oriented to skincare, however there are months when you get also makeup. This is my favorite subscription box. I'm with them from several years and I'm running a 12-month subscription for the second time in a row. All the other informations that I might skip will be linked down below on the subscription box. Will be linked down below on the description box. I really love how the box looks like this month. So we have this white lid and here is written with golden birthday edit, and the bottom of the box is green and with gold. This is really pretty. I don't know what is inside. I just remember that we had a sneak peek on last month, but other than that I have no idea what is inside, and the box is a bit heavy, so I suppose we can have some skincare or body care that makes the box to be so heavy. So let's go ahead and find out together. When I'm opening the box I'm getting a discount code for their Ocado supermarket. We can get the booklet which tells you everything about the products inside, including the prices, and also you have a advertise of their advent calendar for 2019, and there is a code where you can get 15 pounds off. However, I think this is a unique code and I won't share it with you because I want to purchase the advent calendar for this year. Guys, while I was editing I realized that I forgot to read you the info about the Lookfantastic Advent Calendar for 2019. So what it says here: coming soon. Can you hear the distant sounds of jingle bells? That's right, Christmas is right around the corner, and so it's our Lookfantastic Advent Calendar. Be the first in the line with your exclusive one-time use subscriber discount code. Get your advent calendar for only £64. Non-subscriber pay £79. There is a unique code that you'll get in your September Beauty Box edition, and you can use that to get a discount for the Lookfantastic 2019 Advent Calendar. You get 25 items because I already get the email with a sneak peek of what we are getting, like several brands including LMEs, I think, but I'm really excited because I have seen other advent calendars. They are quite expensive for the total value, so this year Lookfantastic Advent Calendar is really affordable and I think it will sell out really fast. So I'm going to pre-order mine maybe today to be in a chance to get my hands on it. And there is one other thing. You are looking for your October sneak peek? Turn the page 18 for your reveal. The October sneak peek is a sheet mask from the brand OK. So what it says here: OK Chalk holographic fiber face mask worth £10, containing a supercharged dose of hyaluronic acid and skin boosting ascorbic acid. This mask will help you achieve dewy, flawless skin. And ascorbic acid, it is vitamin C, in case you didn't know that. Okay, so this is the sneak peek for the month of October and also the information about the Lookfantastic 2019 calendar. So if you want to get your hands on that calendar and get a substantial discount, just go and subscribe today to Lookfantastic Beauty Box. And if you need to get some more discount, check my description box for some codes. As every month we get the Elle magazine, which this month seems to be a bit heavy, so maybe this is the reason that the box it is a bit heavy this month. And inside, wrapped in green tissue paper, we have the products. So let's break the seal. Oh, those are all the products. A quick sneak peek. We'd like to invite you to join us as we celebrate our 5th birthday. This September it's our birthday edition, and to help our community celebrate with us, this monthly beauty box is curated to contain some of the most iconic products in the beauty industry. From cult skincare heroes to the best of body care, this month should help you feel in a party mood. Let's start with the actual sneak peek of the last month. So our first item, it is a Molten brown shower gel. I have it in a shade orange and bergamot. Oh, smells divine. I like both citrusy and bergamot flavors. Just so you know, it lasts quite a while. I had another travel size when I was in vacation, and even though I use it for 10 days, I still have left with a little bit on the bottom. So I think this size can last you up to 2 weeks or so. The Molten Brown Orange and Bergamot Body Wash retails for £10. Discover an iconic Molten Brow fragrance with the refreshing shower gel infused with Sevillian orange, bergamot and neroli. Awaken your spirits and uplift your shower experience with this vibrant and lively body wash. Okay, so this is our first item. Next we've got a bubble bath. This is from Bubble Tea. So it's just the standard bubble bath. Bubble Tea limited edition Lookfantastic Birthday Bath Bomb retails for $4.99. Take a moment for yourself with this limited edition Lookfantastic Birthday Bath Bomb. This cake-inspired bath bomb will help you celebrate our 5th birthday with us. Infused with essential oils and delicate scents, mix up your bath time with this bubble tea offering. This is our second product. Next we got a Caudalie Primer Crew the Eye Cream. How much we get? 5 milliliters. So it's quite small, but it's an eye cream, so it should last at least for 1 month. Caudalie Premier Crew the Eye Cream, worth £16.35. Give eyes a pick-me-up with this sophisticated eye cream. Designed to obscure visible signs of aging, this eye cream works instantly, brightening and refreshing the eye area. When applied, this eye cream helps to firm the skin whilst reducing the appearance of dark circles for a healthier finish. How to use? Apply using your index finger, dabbing a small amount until absorbed. So I really love Caudalie products, even though I haven't bought in a while anything from them, just for the fact that I have a lot of products that I need to finish from previous beauty boxes. I'm really pleased that I've got another wonderful product to try, and this is happening right on time because I'm just about to finish my eye morning cream. So yeah, this will go very soon in my morning skin rotation. The next product is it by Ostia London, and this is Renaissance Cleansing Gel. So this is exactly what is happening for me. I was hoping for, I think, at least 4 months in a row to get a cleanser. In any of the beauty boxes, I didn't got any. As soon as I got not one cleanser, but I also got a backup, now we are getting a cleanser in beauty subscription. So yeah, this is fantastic. This is exactly my life. And we get here 35 mils. The smell is really nice. It reminds me about another product. It might be also a cleanser, but for sure I didn't have it from Ostia. Ostia Renaissance Cleansing Gel worth £14. Introduce a cult cleansing gel into your skincare regimen with this peachy pink skin miracle. With a delicate rose chamomile scent, this cleansing gel quickly and gently dissolves makeup, leaving the complexion illuminated and hydrated. Utilizing pumpkin enzyme and vitamins A, C and E, this cleansing gel detoxifies, soothes and reduces the inflammation. How to use? Massage onto a dry skin, adding a little water to emulsify. Remove with warm water and a damp muslin cloth. This is really handy because now this is my favorite way to remove makeup. I rarely use a cotton pad and a makeup remover, a traditional makeup remover. Now my favorite way is to use a cleansing balm, and I find this is more easy and more effective. So yeah, I'm really happy that I've got another cleansing balm, and of course from a brand that I haven't tried before. The next product, it is a lip gloss by Pixie. Pixie Lip Lift Max in Honey Sheen, worth £12. Cooling upon application, this glossy formula soothes, conditions and calm lips, leaving them with a high shine finish. We have already one makeup product. Yeah, this scent, it is so overpowering that I almost choked myself. I'm not kidding. Oh my god. So I don't know how I will feel this on my lips, but I already choked myself, so this says everything. I will see if I will be able to handle the very powerful scent, the minty scent. And the last product, it is by Sleek Makeup, and it is a eyebrow stylist in shade dark. I think it will not suit me. Combining a unique angled pencil with a styling and blending brush, this innovative brow pencil helps achieve tailor-made strokes from thin to thick. Fill in your brows with the either broad strokes or fine lines to achieve a natural look as last. Ooh, the actual packaging is really nice and sleek. It doesn't look to be very dark. Indeed, that kind of triangle shape. I think I have something similar from Benefit, so this is how it looks like. This might work for me. If I apply it with a light stroke, with a light hand, I think I can make it work. It's not that dark. I thought that it's black or something, but this is actually a really workable shade. So yeah guys, this is everything we've got in this month's Lookfantastic Beauty Box edition, which happens to be their birthday edition. So we've got a Molten Brown Shower Gel, a Caudalie Eye Cream, a Ostia London Cleansing Gel, a Sleek Makeup Pencil, which has a pencil and a brush. I didn't show you the brush. A Bubble Tea Bubble Bath, and a Pixie lip gloss. This is the total value of the September edition Lookfantastic Beauty Box, £63.83. So not bad considering the fact that you are paying only £15, or if you subscribe for 6 or 12 months, then the actual price is slightly decreasing. Please let me know in your comments down below what is your favorite product of this September Beauty Box edition of Lookfantastic. If you decide to subscribe before you leave, I would like to thank you in advance. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also leave me a comment. Share it with your friends, and yeah, other than that, I want to wish you all to have a great, blessed day ahead, and I will see you again on my next video. Bye bye!